Hey, what's up, guys? So I got tired of dealing with the LED bulbs and Chinese stuff, so I ordered a OEM LED. So I'm gonna throw it on and see if it works. It's a plug and play, or I have to do something to make it work. Alright, guys, so we just pull it out, pull all the screws off. Alright, guys, so I don't know if you guys can see, but this clip, see where it goes in, where it clips, we gotta, let me show you this. Alright, guys, so this one's a little bit different. It has this thing right here where it goes in, where it lines in, and the other side. So I'm gonna have to grind this one down to make it fit. Alright, guys, so I don't know if you see, as you can see, I just grabbed my knife and grind it down. Yeah, now it should work. Yeah, see, now it fit perfect. See, you can see how this other one was. Yeah, so they look from a distance. They look bright enough. So we'll check out in the night and see how they compare to the LED bulbs I have. Alright, guys, so that's how the LEDs look at night. As you can see, they look bright enough.